lower back issue. After I had a major accident in 2017, I've been like just bearing that pain. It was terrible. My intestines were on the fucking. Can I swear?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, my intestines were on the dashboard. Around 20 years ago or so, I had a weird leg injury as well, which is completely fixed literally after a couple of sessions that we had. Same with my lower back. I don't feel the pain anymore, and it was something phenomenal.
All right, let's get started.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's good.